Hello STEM enthusiasts, it's a wrap. The 2025 STEM Discovery campaign just came to its end, and how exciting it's been. We had so many entries that even the Scientix portal broke for a few hours on the last day. The Scientix community did not disappoint. During the 3 months of the STEM Discovery campaign, you submitted over 6,000 entries coming from 50 countries from Europe and the world. A big thank you to all of those that participated and shared their experiences and practices in STEM education with their peers. Thanks to the generosity of our partner projects and the STEM Alliance industry partners, we're going to have over 70 educators invited to join our workshop in the Future Classroom Lab at the UN. And that's not all. Thanks to the EU-funded project MBS EduWorld, co-organizer of the 2025 STEM Discovery campaign, over 10 educators will be invited as well to a summer school on nature-based solutions in Greece. They're going to be discussing how nature can help us face the future while enjoying the incredible golden sandy beach of the Marathon Bay. By the way, if you're interested in the course in Greece and you're not one of the winners of the MBS Scientix Awards, go to the MBS EduWorld portal to learn more about the course and how to register. The entries submitted in this STEM Discovery campaign remind us how powerful STEM can be in driving positive change in today's educational landscape. So we just wanted to share some of the amazing lessons. During your activities this year, you placed the emotional and social development of students at the heart of STEM education to get much more balanced and holistic approach to teaching and learning. For example, an entry supporting adding well-being practices to the national curriculum. We agree. You also focused on digital innovation and transdisciplinarity to shape modern learning environments and create more immersive and relevant education for your students. You did this using integrated STEM teaching, relatable career role models, and new educational technologies. And of course, your entries have also put the focus on education for environmental sustainability to show how STEM can be a gateway to tackling challenges in an issue-focused way. Now, I don't know about you, but I find it heartwarming to see the Scientix community come together again to bring STEM education to the future. So head out to the STEM Discovery campaign to see all the amazing entries. And remember to keep an eye on your inbox, as your submission might be one of the lucky Scientix Award winners. We welcome Ioana Caraghiozov to tell us about the Life Terra recommendations and the Green Com report. Hi Ioana, can you first tell us and remind us what the Life Terra initiative is about?
Sure, Agata. So Life Terra is a European-funded initiative that aims to plant millions of trees. But while it does so, it also wants to involve as many people as possible, including students and children. Life Terra's publications all revolve a common question. How do we support educators in encouraging students to take meaningful climate action? So, what's in these publications? Well, first of all, we created a resource that explains why we did what we did and why it matters. These publications combine research insights, tools, and resources that educators can use. And what's more important to notice is that they are rooted in the Green Competence Framework. And this is because we know that Green Comp is becoming a compass to orienting policymaking and teachers when they want to implement education for the environment and for sustainability.
So what are the recommendations for schools and educators?
So we created the recommendations so that educators and schools could work together towards a common objective, as I said before, embedding sustainability education in everyday school practice. And while educators need, of course, to acquire the competencies, research resources, and then implement classroom activities like project-based learning or outdoor activities, schools need to take everything teachers do and create a culture of sustainability out of it. Throughout these recommendations, we offer resources. So I said before that teachers need to acquire the competencies. Well, Life Terra created a MOOC for them to do so, and that they need resources to implement classroom activities. So we linked to the Terra Mission educational pack, which contains 8 interconnected themes related to sustainability that can be adapted into their classroom practice.
Now, what about policymakers? What are their recommendations for them?
Well, the idea is that policymakers need to create the conditions for teachers to thrive. So from our experience, we know that teachers are eager to get started, but they need some resources. So first of all, we encourage policymakers to promote green and digital competencies because they go hand in hand. And at the same time, policymakers can amplify the voice and all the materials and resources that are already out there.
Thank you very much, Ioana. If you're interested in tree planting activities to carry out with your students and to learn more about the practice and policies needed to make things change, head out to the lifeterra.eu portal for more information.
Hello everyone, welcome again for more experiments and more fun with Scientix. Before we start, just a quick reminder to fill in the submission form that you can find in the description. We are waiting for your suggestions and ideas for more experiments. So, the guest that we have for today, you already know her, is Dr. Christina.
Hi, Mr. Scientix man. Hi, kids.
Are you excited to be here?
Frankly, I'm exhausted, but I love science, so I am happy to be here.
Yeah, and today we have a really fun experiment regarding secret messages.
Secret messages? Let's see what it is.
So, first of all, the materials that we are going to use. We will need for the experiment 2 small bowls, a bit of water, baking soda, cotton buds, rubbing alcohol, turmeric, a spoon, and we are also going to use a paper, and we will need a tray to prevent from doing a mess.
And we're good to go.
So, first of all, what we are going to do is to mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda, just like that, with 1 tablespoon of water. And then we mix.
Mix, mix, mix.
That's all. Now we have to take one of the cotton buds, and then we do like that in the mix. And we can start already writing a secret message. So we do like that.
What are you going to write, Mr. Scientix man?
You don't know yet.
Oh
It's
no,
secret.
it's secret.
Once we are done, we just have to wait for it to be completely dry and just be careful to remove the excess of baking soda.
I cannot see anything.
Yeah. So, before the next mix, remember, safety.
Safety first.
So we have to put our goggles and our gloves. Now we have to mix half a spoon of turmeric and then 3 spoons of rubbing alcohol. You need to be careful.
Don't drink this, kids.
So, just like that.
1, 2, 3 spoons.
3. And then we just have to mix it. And there we go.
We're ready.
So, now we are going to reveal our message. So we just have to use another cotton bud with the new mix that we have done with the turmeric. And we can start painting like that to reveal the message.
It's red! What does it say?
Let's continue and let's see it.
Let's find out. In the meantime, I will explain to you what's happening. In turmeric, you have a substance called curcumin. Curcumin changes color depending on how acidic or basic something is. So this is just like the red cabbage indicator that we did a couple of weeks ago. So what's happening with curcumin is that in an acidic solution, it's yellow, and in a basic solution, like the one we made with the baking soda, it's gonna be red.
And I think we're done. So we can show our message. And you can do whatever you want. You can draw something or you can write something else. It's actually pretty fun.
And you can send us pictures of your messages.
So that's all for today. We hope you have liked it. And once again, a reminder to fill in the submission form and send us your experiment ideas. Bye.